chemo gift bags and what they are?
So chemo gift bags were started in 2015 because I'd had cancer in 2013 and realised that there was perhaps a gap in the market, that people didn't really know what they needed at the time going through chemo. So a list was drawn up, talking to other people that were going through chemotherapy, and from that list we realised that, you know, they needed to be educated, not to be rude, but there was no one saying what they needed. So research was done, and then we came up with the item of products that has changed and evolved over the years, but you know, there's quite a few items in the bag, and this is what we've come up with.
So what sort of things were in the bag, and how do they help people?
So as you can see, we've got a heart-shaped cushion. This can go under the armpit or under the bust, and that helps relieve some of the pressure from when they've had mastectomy or radiation treatment. Pardon?
Or a pit line.
Yeah, and you know, people are always saying that the cushion is one of the things that they actually use forever afterwards. We have things like a child's toothbrush, which is soft because the gums can bleed. People might not be aware of that, so that's in the bags. We have non-alcohol mouthwash because you can get metal Mickey, and that can just take the taste away. There's also sweets in the bag for that same purpose.
Right. Okay, so what's metal Mickey, like a metal taste?
Yeah, so not everyone has it apparently, but it's just a metal taste that's in your mouth, and because of that, it's not very nice. So if we can put something in that can kind of alleviate that a little bit, then you know that's why the products are in the bags.
Right.
And also,
so how have you got? So you've got these bags together, and how are you getting them to people? What's that process?
do you want to answer, Steve?
Well, we have ambassadors that deliver them to the hospitals, and also if somebody outside the hospital has been nominated for a bag, they will be taken to the person's house, or the ambassador will meet them at the hospital and hand them over a bag.
Okay.
Or some of the hospitals, we will deliver 10 or 15 bags at a time, and the hospital nurses will give the bags out to the patients as they come in, and on their first chemotherapy treatment, then they will be given a bag.
And it's also